What's that?
Jollibee.
Wow. What did you get that?
Deliver?
Who delivered that? Jollibee. Saan in-order yan?
Ha?
Saan in-order yan? Sa Reading Jollibee. Yan. Reading Jollibee. Ang galing. Ang bilis nila.
Nakaselyo talaga.
Selyo talaga, oh. Wow.
Did you get spaghetti?
Yeah, yes.
But,
Ayan.
it's even better than last time.
Why?
Because you got
Last
toys.
time. Ito, ah. Meron tayong gravy. Ang daming gravy, ah.
Yung mga anak mo kasi.
Ito yung sa akin. Diba?
Ata ang anghang. Wala silang legs.
Walang?
Legs wala.
Oh. Mainit-init
Merong
pa.
maanghang na legs. Oh.
Nasaan patingin?
Ito. Ito maanghang na legs.
Ito. Ayan na.
Okay, nakuha nila.
No, Mommy!
Oh.
I thought you got the whole bucket.
Yeah, the whole bucket, that one.
No, I
Same.
just make it 2 piece. It's the
Two
same.
piece.
At least this one has extra gravy.
I want a whole bucket. Whole bucket. Can I
Ayan, ha.
start? Can I start now?
Wait. Ayan, o. Tayo natin si Kuya.
Ah.
Minute.
Daddy, open. Can I?
Wait for Kuya.
Can I now unpause?
Yeah?
Can I now unpause the TV?
Wow. Jollibee. Yummy tummy. Nice. What's yours? Spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
Oh, mix it. Mommy will mix it.
Yummy. Yummy. I'll do it now.
Tikman natin tong ano. Ito ba yung ano?
Ayan
Ito yung manghang.
Tikman mo nga.
Nga. Wow.
Manghang.
Manghang. Crunchy.
Daddy. Daddy.
What?
I'm gonna taste the one with no.
Which one? You like that? Tastes good?
I'm gonna taste the one with no sauce.
Try.
I'm gonna taste the one with no sauce.
Oh, natin sa
Lalaki
gravy.
ng manok, no?
Ang laki, ah. Ang laki ng manok, oh. Ganyan. Kamay tayo. Wala kita na may
Ang laki ng manok.
fried rice. Di ba? Dito sa amin yan. Ito yung spaghetti. Diba? Ayun. Luto nga. What?
Sarap.
Gana ko yan doon.
Thank you, anak.
Ano kuya?
Init.
Painit ka. Andahan. Mainit. Bagong luto eh.
Ay.
That's how much we go through.
What?
That's how much we go through, Mommy.
So hot.
Hot.
What? Alright.
Yeah. Pag-order kayo, dyan lang sa Reading Central. Jollibee. Ito. All-time favorite ng mga kids. Lalo na pag...
It's not all time favorite. My all time favorite.
Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.